Hey guys, it's Ben from Currys, and today we're going to look at 3 top features of the Bosch Series 4 washer dryer. We'll have a look at its eco-silent systems, which keeps things quiet, the handy auto dry feature, and its speedy 60-minute wash and dry. We're going to head over to the lab now so we can see each of these in a bit more detail. So we're at the lab looking at the Bosch Series 4 washer dryer, and this is great timing because it's coming to the peak of its spin cycle. Now this is kitted out with eco-silent systems, which very much operates on the philosophy that appliances should be seen and not heard. So you can get on with whatever it is that you want to be doing, whether it's a spot of meditation or you want to catch up on that TV series you've been missing out on. This is currently spinning at 1400 RPM and you can hear me just fine. It's actually capable of generating a noise level as low as only 47 decibels, which for comparison is about the same level of noise as rainfall or the sound of the sea. All of that without compromising on efficiency, economy, durability, or performance. This machine takes care of your clothes by making sure they're not over dried. It uses something called auto dry, which is a clever bit of technology that can sense when the load is dry and so stops the cycle automatically. It can sense the level of humidity so that your clothes are never heated and dried when they don't need to be. When you're trying to save time, there's a program that lets you pop a few things in that isn't going to take ages to get them clean and ready again. The 60-minute wash and dry gets the job done in just 1 hour, tackling a 1 kilogram load of lightly soiled items with heat-resistant textiles. So if you'd like more info on the Bosch Series 4 washer dryer, you can visit us in-store, online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.